For those who like camping from time to time like me, my message is that this Unigear Rainfly Tent Tarp Hammock Hexagonal is worth it. The size of this Unigear Rainfly Tent Tarp Hammock Hexagonal is ideal for putting on top of a hammock for an adult. The bag that this comes in is big enough to fit everything inside comfortably, with no need to resort to special gymnastics. The available wires are strong and long enough to facilitate those moments when the trees seem to be running away from each other. In my last camp it rained a lot, so I had the opportunity to test if the water passed. With this Unigear Rainfly Tent Tarp Hexagonal everything went wonderfully. I was too lazy to tie the Rainfly Tent Tarp as it should be, so I worked it out using the hammock thread. Everything worked fine, although I think it is obvious that the way I tied my fly tent tarp is neither ideal nor recommended. Thank you for listening to my opinion, however that's it for today. The audio ends now. But don't be shy, you can still enjoy a few more images of this product.
Today I have it set up with my hiking poles, but I think there's a lot of stress that I put along the top here, and on my my older one you can see that there's the waterproofing is coming out of it. I'm gonna have to put some waterproofing tape, but for under $40 for a big giant rainfly that, you know, more than covers my hammock and does a great job of covering my tent. It gives me a great vestibule, so if I need to cook underneath there on heavy rains, I can. Last year in Utah, stormy night, no bugs. I left that open all night long, and I just absolutely enjoyed it. It was really, really nice. So I give this one a couple, I would say 2 thumbs up. So good job, Unigear, and thank you.